Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys. How is everybody doing guys? How are you? How are you? It's Akaliche vlogs here, please. Please guys, thank you so much for this far and welcome again. Today we are having another recipe or another menu here that I want to show you. If you are tired, you can just do it at once. Instead of having two pots, you just have one pot. So you can see there I have my beans, I have my chopped cubed carrots, my onions there, and my rice there. So all of this is going to be in one pot instead of two pots. So welcome my people, enjoy the video as you watch. So first thing first is to take your pot, put it on fire. As you can see there, take your pot, put it on fire, put enough oil. As you all know that if you want good rice, you have to spend on oil. You soak your rice first to reduce the starch, and then when you start to cook it, please put more oil. So it's what I'm doing there. After this, we use onions and chopped carrots, spices. Spices, they're optional. Spices are optional. You can use spices or you cannot use spices, depends on you. If you love spices, you're good to go. If you're not spicy person, just continue without adding any spices. So that's our onions there. We're gonna leave them to cook for some time, for a few minutes, before we add the next ingredients. So welcome my people, please enjoy the video and feel welcome, and let us do this now. So our onions are ready. I've already added carrots, and here we're not going to use tomatoes, but if you want to use them, you're good to go. There is our boiled beans. Sorry. There is our boiled beans there. You mix them well, make everything is balanced well. You stir in for everything to balance well. There is our salt. You add salt. Add salt. This is going to be one pot. Instead of making two pots, you're going to make one pot. Instead of two pots, you're going to make it as one pot. So there is our beans there. Sorry for the noise guys, don't know what's wrong with that chicken there. Spices, I said they're optional. They are optional. You can use them or you cannot use them. Depends on you. If you are a spicy lover. That is powder curry. The one I've added, that curry powder or powder curry powder is the one that I have added in. Then you mix well to make sure the powder is everywhere. And then the next thing that we are going to add is these cubes. I don't know why these cubes do amazing job in every meal, and they are beef cubes. If you put in any meal, they just do amazing job. We're going to add the cubes there. There's the cubes. You crush them. Don't put them as they are because they will not cook. Make sure that you have crushed them and then mix it again. And you know, at this stage you can remove the beans. At this stage you can remove the beans. And then call it fried beans. And decide and remove the beans and take as they are and call them fried beans. So the next thing we are going to add in is the rice. You see, you add your rice. That I've been saying in my videos, if you want good rice, please soak your rice. Doesn't matter if it's from heaven or earth or Jupiter or another planet, just soak your rice. Soak your rice and then let me know. That soaked rice for 20 minutes was well washed and then soaked. So you mix everything as I'm doing now. I think by now you already know what we are cooking. You already know the name, because at this stage I don't know how to call this recipe. Mixture of rice and beans. That's the name. At this stage I don't know how to call it. The only thing I know that our friends from India, they love to make this. The recipe you'll find out there, but I don't know the name. So after mixing everything well, make sure that everything has mixed well. You take water, measure your water. As for me, I don't measure because I'm used to cooking. I'm used to do this. You add water and then you stir well. Make sure you have mixed well. Mix your meal well. And then you cover. And then you cover your meal. You're gonna leave this for 20 minutes. Remember, our beans, they were already boiled, they were already cooked. Yes, just frying them. So you're gonna leave this for 20 minutes and then come back and see how it's doing. So this is after 20 minutes, and you can see I removed it from the big side stove to that small size stove. So here's our meal, guys. My lord, I wonder, you see the color of that meal? Only the color, leave alone the aroma that is coming out. Oh my god. Hey, leave alone the aroma. You're gonna leave it for 2 minutes and then come back and see how it's. So here it's after 2 minutes. We decided to add more 2 minutes because we wanted it to be soft and tender. You see the color? Let's talk about the color first. That color is looking amazing. The color is coloring. The color is doing the wonders. So there is our meal. There is our meal. Instead of using 2 pots or 3 pots to make this, you can do it in 1 pot. And here I have already served. Here is a meal. You can take this with a cold drink aside, just relaxing somewhere in your house, the spot that you love to sit, take this with a cold drink. You can take this with tea. Can take this with the fried cabbage, crunchy cabbage aside, and it'll be good to go. My people. Don't struggle doing this. You can do it as it is. That's me there. I want to taste it for you guys. It is hot, but I have to do this. And by the way, that's my natural hair. Yeah, because of the curls, don't think it's a wig. It's my natural hair. The food tastes yummy. You see the way I'm swallowing? It's like even I'm not chewing. The food tastes yummy. Tastes yummy. It was so yummy, guys. I'll do this again and again and again and again. I'll do this again and again. The food is so yummy. So my people, please, thank you so much. Thank you for supporting your girl here. Love you so much, guys. For your subscription, for your liking, sharing, watching my lives. I'm so happy. May God bless you, continue blessing you, and providing for you and protecting you and your entire family, just for me. So thank you so much for watching. Go to YouTube, search it's Akaliche Vlogs. You'll find me there. Like, share, subscribe, watch my videos, and I'll be so grateful, my people. The meal was so yummy, so yummy. So when you feel like you're from work, you're tired, you don't want to waste time using 2 pots to cook, you finish the first pot, you put it aside, you take the second pot, you cook it again. Just do it in 1 pot, guys. So easy. Just do it in 1 pot and you'll be good to go. So bye bye. See you next time, and remember, I love you.